It feels great. It feels good to kind of like premiere the movie around like, I guess, like different parts of the world. I think that's really cool, like bring it to different audiences. I mean, that's, I guess, what a film like this is all about, just bringing it to all audiences, yeah. Going into a film like this, I guess I felt so nervous, and I felt like a lot of pressure going into it, but obviously being there with everyone else, and we just really kind of became a family, and I say this all the time, but it really didn't feel like work. It really just felt, it really just felt like we were having a good time, and just, yeah. Ooh, definitely hearing Hallie sing for the first time. It was wonderful. I mean, it gave me goosebumps, and I hadn't heard her sing yet, and obviously to hear her sing, I mean, you could just close your eyes and you just, like, she literally was Ariel in that moment, and then obviously to finally see that finalized in the film is just, it's an amazing experience, and I can't wait for the world to see it.